Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. I'm gonna take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. It's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Happy almost Halloween. Let's take this off again, because I would like to see again, because currently I can't really see. Honestly, my problem is really easy to solve, because all I gotta do is this. Oh, my poor eyes. They were watering so much, and my phone is falling white. I actually really like how the mouth came out, because from far away, I can, like... Oh, so cool. But I gotta take it off. Okay, wish me luck. Ow! I don't think it was fully dry either, which made it extra gross. Still got some teeth and cotton and whatever else I had on my face left. Undisclosed liquids. Ew. I just realized I had a filter on this whole time. Let's take it off. There we go. The crazy thing is that I'm moving in less than 12 hours, so this is actually the last makeup look I will ever film in my current apartment. Time flies and it's really scary. But I think whatever's happening on my face is probably a little more scary than that. But I am gonna go shower and I love you guys. Mwah, wish me luck with a move. Bye. I was going for like a glam zombie, but I feel like it turned into a regular one instead of a glam one. I don't know what went wrong. I think I just forgot how to look pretty instead of scary. Let's take the filter up. Okay, not as cool anymore. I love my filters. I can't help it. Before I get my hands dirty, let's remove the contacts. I also cut off my nails, which I'm really sad about. I love sacrificing my lashes for makeup. Okay, where do I start? The eye, the eye, the eye. Not the eye, that really hurts. Wait, yes, the eye. It's fine. I gotta get it over with. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that's not my eye anymore. I'm gonna keep going. Never mind. Okay. Oh. Not bad. I kind of want to keep the teeth, but they don't seem very clean. I'm gonna throw them out. Also, I honestly can't believe that we're almost halfway through October. Why does time fly so fast, and why does this water not stop? There we go. But this is it for this look, and mwah, I hope you guys have the best day or night. Probably night. Mwah. Okay, objectively, this is not my favorite makeup look that I have done, but I still have to take it off. There are a lot of layers of tights on my face, and they're squeezing my head and squeezing out the last remnants of a brain cell that I have. I just used all the incorrect words to prove my point. Also, I got liquid latex on my shirt, and now I have to throw out the shirt, which is really sad. Half of these things aren't like really coming off, so I'm just gonna go from the bottom. Oh. But of course, that's not it. Ow. Oh, is there latex in my eyebrow? I think there is. The light in my bathroom just turned on by itself and the fan turned on. There's no one in the bathroom, huh? And I just moved to a new apartment. I'm so happy that all my ghosts came with me. And I have foundation in my hair. Ugh. Doing the makeup is always so much fun, and I'm always so miserable when I take it off. Anyways, my skin is not really happy right now, but I am mostly clean.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Do any collectors want this? Because if you don't, I'm throwing it out. Where's my trash can? There it is. Boom. I really love how this makeup turned out, but at the same time, all of my hair, my clothes, my desk, my phone, everything that is in my vicinity is really, really sticky. But I still really love this. If any Hollywood zombie movies need more zombies, I'm like literally right here. Let's do the ASMR. My entire face is covered in everything. Oh. Ew, ew, ew. That was actually really easy. It's sticky, it's sticky. And of course, and of course, the nightmare fuel. Give me a second, yeah? And of course, the nightmare fuel. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I am mostly clean. Mwah. See you tomorrow.
Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness. I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss. And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. Ah! The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching.
If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like will you catch 'em at night? I'm Cupid with arrows, babe, I'm just shooting my shot. If I could get in, drop me a pin, hopping up.
I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel, and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse, but if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hello there. You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are. Like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. Ow! That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Y'all are doing peel-off face masks? Sorry, honey. I do liquid latex. Oh yes, baby. We're doing it. Bet you never saw a mask like this bad boy. Skincare? More like skin scare. Let's take her off. Lovely. Wow, my skin just loves me. Yeah. I did a tutorial for this beautiful look, and it will be in the link in my profile. Please don't actually use liquid latex as a face mask. Have a great day, you guys. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day, and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding. We got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys.